In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add image to background. We'll be doing this in Adobe Express, and the process is very simple once you know where to click. If you want your image to fill the entire canvas and sit neatly behind the rest of your design, this is the fastest way to do it. To begin, open your project in Adobe Express. Make sure you're inside the design where you want to place the background image. It helps to have your canvas ready first, because that way you can immediately see how the image will fit once it's added. Next, you'll need to bring your image into the project. Look over to the left side panel and find the Add Content area. From there, you have two options depending on where your image is coming from. If you want to use an image that's already available inside Adobe Express, click Media and browse from there. If the image is saved on your computer, choose Upload instead. For this example, use Upload. As soon as you click it, your computer's file browser will open. Navigate to the folder where your image is saved, then click on the file you want to use. After that, click Open or simply press Enter on your keyboard. Once you do that, the image will be added to your project. Now that the image is on the canvas, click directly on the photo to select it. This part is important because the background option will only appear when the image itself is selected. After selecting the photo, go back to the left panel and look for the option called Set Background. Click that, and Adobe Express will automatically place the image as the background of your design. When you use Set Background, the image is scaled to fit the canvas and locked into the background position, which makes it much easier to build the rest of your design on top of it. This is especially helpful for posters, thumbnails, presentations, social graphics, or any project where you want a full-frame image behind your text and elements. If the result doesn't look exactly how you expected, you may want to try a different image orientation or crop before setting it as the background, especially if your canvas size is very wide or very tall. Choosing an image that closely matches your project dimensions usually gives the cleanest result. And that's it. That's how to add an image to the background in Adobe Express.